Hi, viewers. I feel the former sessions and all have given you much significant delivery to improve your communicative English. I think you might have also collected more proverbs by yourself to keep on develop an exercising attitude to speak on it every day because speaking is a skill. Speaking only lets out your inner emotions and to reveal you as a man of ready confidence. So please speak on every day. And today's proverb is a known devil is better than an unknown angel. You know, the human beings differ in their qualities. There are devils among the human beings and angels among the human beings. A man can never remain as the same in all the occasions. If a person has to be understood, definitely a person who is so intimately presenting in all of his occasions can definitely know his different attitudes in different occasions. But once you start to sail as an employee in an organization, being a part of an organization, the sale of your soft skills are very important, and definitely this proverb really matches with your art of soft skills and your skills of managerial proceedings that you shall have to develop in you to survive in an organization has been presented by me here. Being a part of an organization, employee should involve himself in all his activities. He should not stand away in watching like a spectator to view what is going on in an organization. He must carry out his responsibilities to be more involved in a task and let it be a challenging task. As an inclusive person, his efforts of team developing presentation is very much essential in him. But if he is naturally talented in a team work, definitely his efficiency will be reflected. Commonly, a talented person will never be liked by the devilistic minded people around him. Always, a talented person will be cornered with the brunts of jealousy, ill will, rejection, non pointing him for a deserving work, and blaming with black ash in a cutthroat competitive organization. But if he is really a learned one or a strong minded person, he behaves good and gentle in all of his most suffocated situations. Because it is so difficult to sail in a workplace to win the favor of everyone. But a person who loves his duty always loves his job for the return of no returns of the compliments from anywhere. But really, the management watches him always to specially regard his talents in their mind. This should never be forgotten by a wise balancing man in an organization. And a man must have a strong assertive attitude, gels himself inclusive in the duties, but to be detached at times to swim in his workplace because his workplace will have more complications and challenges. But suddenly, after having crossed 75% of his work time in his former working place and to seek only a few percentage of benefits to a new working place, and only for the few percentage of benefits he will start to swim himself to a contradictive place or into a new challenging environment of unknown climate is only a stupid endeavor of him, since the known devils are more familiar to him. In this stage of 75% of being traveled in his organization, really he worked with this strong attitude of managing all the people with his very good balanced emotions, it is better to swim for some more time also in the same organization is advisable. And to seek the new angels in an entirely unfamiliar place that is giving him new challenges of presentation and performance, he shall have to work for an other organization with his extra push of more efforts. And he has to adjust accordingly to an entirely new location. For it, he must know to observe all the happenings and to study about the people with his extra large space of time. And he may not be knowing who may be the devil or who may be an angel in such a new environment. The stretch management will be highly challenging task in this place. But already he is becoming age to swim with the known devils with his already focused mentality of surveillance has been habituated to him. But to travel in this new place will be a very challenging task, and the pressure or the stress which would be given by the new organization will be very much struggling to him to push him even into depression. And it will be so difficult for him to travel with the new endeavor. And the wise man always loves his duties and he experiences only the fruit of actions in the midst of all the problems that is existing. And love of his duty, non-attachment for the results remain same in him. So why does he have to care for the new unknown percentage of some more benefits to be welcomed by the new organization? Let him be calm with the surveillance to be proved in the same old organization so that really his extra spacing of the traveling time will be easy for him to govern his health. Health is alone wealth in his olden age. He must never even trouble himself with extra challenges to swim for his few percentage of benefits in another organization. Since known devils are better than an unknown angels, he must know to keep himself to be more tolerable to survive in the same own organization. Like these viewers, in our life too, we go across many troubles and we go across many challenges. Whatever endeavor do we involve, really we have to cope with all of our stress management and we should be the best manager to survive in the midst of all of our problems. But to be assertive and to be very much sportive with the inner art of the special smile in not even attaching ourselves to the for the deeds of the benefits in an organization and to sail for our satisfaction, inner glow of satisfaction can really give us the victory on one day. So, viewers, by researching the proverbs like this, you can also develop your own involvement to speak in English very well because English proficiency is very much essential to give you more challenging uh, workplaces and definitely the feathers of your glowing improvement can be charismatic if you know to work with your challenges of developing an art of English proficiency. Thank you for attending this session.